This video shows a sample question paper for PCM exam for class UKG. It also shows how we can analyze and write the answer for each question. Hope it finds to be useful.
Give the candidates enough time to answer the question. 4. When they have answered it, read out the next question and ask them to answer it. 5. Continue this process till the last question. 6. All the answers are to be marked by the candidates themselves.
1. Which of the following animals lives in the desert? A. Elephant. B. Bear. C. Dog. D. Camel. Please choose one option. The correct answer is D. Camel. Camels are known to live in the desert. Do you want me to read the next question? Question 1, Part B. Which of the following is a domestic animal? A. Tiger. B. Cow. C. Zebra. D. Crocodile. Please choose one option. The correct answer is B. Cow. Cows are considered domestic animals. Would you like me to read the next question? Question 1, Part C. Which of the following is used to keep your body clean? A. Soap and water. B. Comb. C. Nail clippers. D. Mop and bucket. Please choose one option. The correct answer is A. Soap and water. Soap and water are used to keep your body clean. Question 1, Part D. Which is an insect among the following? A. Duck. B. Fish. C. Frog. D. Ant. The correct answer is D. Ant, because ants are a type of insect. Do you want me to read the next question? Question 1, Part E. Which of the following is a vegetable? A. Orange. B. Apple. C. Pumpkin. D. Banana. The correct answer is C. Pumpkin, because pumpkins are a type of vegetable. Would you like me to read the next question? Congratulations on completing the first section. Good job, kids. Question 2. Look at the pictures and write the first letter of their names in the box given below each picture. The first picture is a hibiscus, so the first letter is H. The second picture is a cat, so the first letter is C. The third picture is a ball, so the first letter is B. The fourth picture is an octopus, so the first letter is O. Question 3. Look at the pictures. Put a tick mark in the box containing I for indoor games and O for outdoor. Question 3 asks you to put a tick mark in the box for indoor games and an O in the box for outdoor games. The first picture, the snake and ladder game, is indoor, so you should put a tick mark in the I box. The second picture, the football player, is outdoor, so you should put an O in that box. The third picture, the carom board, is indoor, so you should put a tick mark in the I box. And the fourth picture, the cricket player, is outdoor, so you should put an O in that box. Does that make sense? Question 4 asks you to spot the odd one out. Tick mark the correct answer. The pictures show flowers, a pumpkin, cabbage, and lady's finger. The answer is the flowers, because the pumpkin, cabbage, and lady's finger are all types of food, while the flowers are not typically eaten. You should place a tick mark in the box below the picture of the flowers. Question 5. Count and find out how many toffees are there in the picture. Write the correct answer in the given box. Red balloons, green. First, let's count the red toffees. There are 5 red toffees. Next, let's count the green toffees. There are 7 green toffees. Finally, let's find the total number of toffees. 5 red plus 7 green equals 12 toffees in total. Congratulations on completing the first section. Good job, kids. Question 6. Which number comes next? Circle your answer. A. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, followed by a blank. The options are 5 and 4. The numbers in this sequence are increasing by 1 each time. So after 3, the next number is 3 plus 1 equals 4. Therefore, the answer is 4. B. The numbers are 10, 15, 20, followed by a blank. The options are 25 and 30. The numbers in the sequence are increasing by 5 each time. So after 20, the next number is 20 plus 5 equals 25. Therefore, the answer is 25. C. The numbers are 11, 12, 13, followed by a blank. The options are 14 and 15. The numbers in this sequence are increasing by 1 each time. So after 13, the next number is 13 plus 1 equals 14. Therefore, the answer is 14. Question 7. Look at the calendar and answer the following questions. A. How many Sundays are there in October 2024? B. What is the date for the first Monday of October? For question A, there are 4 Sundays in October 2024. For question B, the date for the first Monday of October is the 7th. Question 8. Which clock shows 7 o'clock? Tick mark the correct answer. The third clock shows 7 o'clock because the hour hand is pointing at the 7 and the minute hand is pointing at the 12. Question 9. Join the dots in the correct order. You would start with the dot labeled 1, then connect it to the dot labeled 2, then to 3, and so on, following the sequence of the numbers. The image shows the beginning of the sequence, with the dots connected from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4, and then from 4 to 6. You would continue this pattern until all the numbered dots are connected. Question 10. Find the sum of objects in column A and match with the number given in column B by drawing lines. For the first row, there is 1 basketballs in the first picture plus 1 basketball in the second picture, which totals 2 basketballs. So you would draw a line from the basketballs to the number 2 in column B. For the second row, there are 2 apples in the first picture plus 1 apple in the second picture, which totals 3 apples. You would draw a line from the apples to the number 3 in column B. For the third row, there are 3 watermelons in the first picture, plus 1 watermelon in the second picture, which totals 4 watermelons. You would draw a line from the watermelons to the number 4 in column B. For the fourth row, there are 5 strawberries in the first picture, plus 3 strawberries in the second picture, which totals 8 strawberries. You would draw a line from the strawberries to the number 8 in column B. Question 11. Find out any 4 differences between the 2 given pictures. Draw circles on the differences in the first picture. You're right. The yellow highlighting in the first picture clearly shows the 4 differences between the 2 pictures. Color the given picture suitably. You can color this picture with whatever color you wish for and make it beautiful. Congratulations, champ! You have completed the sample pattern question paper and all the very best for the PCM exam. Thank you, and here is the syllabus pattern for PCM for UKG class. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Visit our channel for more.